girls, it's Anel and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Fanny Anel, but I go by Miss Anel Beauty here on YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe and also to click on the ring bell, and that way you will be notified whenever I upload videos. But today I'm going to be doing a fun and bright and vibrant look, and I'm going to be using the beautiful Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. These just released actually, and I'm using the Pink Obsessions. These are neon bright colors. These are in your face colors, and now that summer's getting closer, I wanted to do something that's a little bit more fun and more playful with color. And I just love these. I'm like obsessed with the Neon Obsession collection. I actually bought all three palettes, but I'm feeling kind of pink and purple and fun and flirty today, so that's what I will be doing. Let's go ahead and jump into primer. I am going to be using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. This one is in Rumor 2. I love this P. Louise eyeshadow base because it does a great job at concealing and correcting my purple that I have on my lids and the redness too. But we're gonna try our best to just focus on the eyes today. The first color that I'm going to be using from this eyeshadow palette is this pink one right here. It is so stunning and so gorgeous. It's showing up a little bit more pink on camera, like a more toned down pink, but it's actually very, very bright. So hopefully you guys will be able to see the true colors. I'm just going to start working that onto my crease. And I always like to start off very, very light-handed just so I can get a chance to build up and work the product. Otherwise, if I apply too much, I'm probably going to cause a disaster, and this will not be pretty. So I know that I've been kind of MIA from YouTube and social media, but I've been so busy like with life and everything. You know, sometimes it's okay to take a break. Sometimes you just kind of need that and spend quality time with the people that, you know, you truly care for and you love. So Rocky has been doing photography with his friend. They're actually like teaming up to do like events and stuff, like social events, and the little time that I get to spend time with him during the week and on weekends, I take full advantage. So because on top of that, he does have his full-time job and I do have my full-time job, so the little time that we get to spend together, like I'm not even on my phone. I don't even want to do like YouTube because I want to spend time with him. I definitely want to incorporate more lifestyle into my channel other than just makeup tutorials and beauty and such things, because I know there's more to life other than beauty. So let me know in the comments down below. But next up, I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's a more purpley shadow. I'm dipping a smaller brush, just a tip, because I really want to pack that on my outer V, or my outer crease I should say. I was feeling a little uninspired to do my makeup, even on myself, even just like a natural glam. These palettes have actually really helped me and inspired me to continue doing more like looks for you guys. I know these are not like extra wearable or like office appropriate, at least not for me, but on weekends, or like if you want to go out, or just even like playing around with makeup is so soothing. So that's why I decided to buy them. And honestly, Huda eyeshadows are like really, really good. So I really have been enjoying these eyeshadow palettes, and I'm so glad that I picked them up. I do want to go in with this baby purple color, and I'm going to apply that on my inner part with a smaller brush. I will say though that this purple shadow that I'm applying on right now has a little bit of fallout, but I feel like it is so pigmented that like the formula doesn't bother me at all. And I just feel like that is happening because it's super matte. But I would always suggest doing your eyes before doing your face makeup, and that way you'll avoid a mess like the one I'm making right now. I'm gonna go in with this color. This one's like a really pretty shimmer color right here. I think it's kind of more like glittery. It looks a little bit chunky, but it is so pretty. It almost looks like it's in between a purple and like a baby blue. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm kind of cutting my crease very lightly, just so I could give my lids a little bit of more definition. But if I could wear this color to work, I would definitely go for it. It is insanely pretty. Like, it's just like, I feel like a Barbie right now. With a smaller brush, I'm dipping into this bright Barbie pink color right here. And I want to intensify that outer crease. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Wow. Holy pink smokes. We're gonna dip our brush back into this bright color right here and just apply a little bit on the crease just to blend it out. So this brush has no color. I'm just making sure that I don't apply any more color than I already have, so I could blend out everything together. I think for the bottom right here, I want to go in with this baby purple and just apply that on my lower lash line. Let me go ahead and apply my lashes and apply a little bit of eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is a completed look. I did go in with the rest of my face and I did my lashes. Actually, I popped some on. I put on a little bit of bronzer. I put on a little bit of blush. And I even skipped highlight for today because I feel like it is so unnecessary. I totally get Barbie vibes of this eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you guys want to see tutorials using the other eyeshadow palettes, because I really want to play around with them and I want to create so many looks now. My inspiration is back right now. Here is the Coral Obsessions, and I mean, like, the packaging is so freaking good, and this is what it looks like. This one is so pretty too. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's so aesthetically pleasing. So please let me know down below. Send me your ideas of like neon and like bright color eyeshadow looks so that I could try to recreate them. And then the green one, I wasn't planning on getting it, but I saw the swatches online and I was like, ooh, I need that in my collection. This is like effing pretty, okay? These are a little bit more neutral colors, a little bit more toned down, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's so aesthetically pleasing too, and I just want to go and play with all of these eyeshadow palettes. And again, each one retails for $29. It is so good for Huda Beauty because the formula and the pigment is all right there. So definitely, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy and pink look. Let me know your thoughts. Would you wear this to work? Would you wear this on a date? Would you wear it to a nightclub? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and tutorial, and I will see you guys on my next video.